Good morning everybody, it's Disney day 2. Holly's finishing getting ready and we are off to breakfast. Today we've got, oh she's just putting her shoes on. Today is our matching Disney jumper dress day, which originally was going to be a bit of a nightmare because they were absolutely massive, but like we've made it work. And I've had to put a belt on mine, but like life is okay.
I've never worn something that's a size 8 that's been so baggy in my life. Like,
honestly.
What on earth?
Like, I can't even.
Misguided jumper dresses. Huge.
Huge. Like, get like maybe 2 sizes smaller, I reckon.
Yeah, like, well, no, because I would normally get a size 12 and this is an 8. Get 3 sizes smaller.
But yeah, like this is our kind of situation. So that's Holly's outfit. Love it. And then I've just got the pink version on. Lovely. Thumbs up. Yeah. But yeah, now we're going to go down and get some breakfast and then head into the park today, which is very exciting. We're both very hungry, so we're going to go eat. You excited for food?
Yeah, yogurt.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the yogurt. I'm so excited. So we finished up with breakfast and I'd actually rate that breakfast like a solid like 8.5 out of 10. It was quite good and we managed to put some croissants and stuff in our bag, so we're going to have that for like lunch.
Sneaky, sneaky.
I know, we literally were sneaking them around, it was quite funny.
We were like, right, there's no one behind you, go, 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 go. Yeah.
But we thought, because we're going to go to Captain Jack's tonight, which I'm so excited about, so we don't really need lunch today.
We don't really want to pay for lunch today.
Captain Jack's is expensive. Exactly. So we have loads of snacks in our bags today. My bag is weighty, but it's fine. It's about 20 to 10 now though, so we've made like the end of magic hours and we're going to go on Peter Pan, so that's the plan. That rhymed. But yeah. Holly's just having a rant about the bean with the onions in. Beans?
Not tasty.
I was like, I can hear you just ranting about beans. So funny. Basically there was onions in the baked beans and she was like kicking off. But yeah, anyway, we're going to go into the park now. It's such a nice day. There's some really lovely sunshine. I do apologise about my turtleneck. I know I look really silly, but it's just that little bit too cold to not wear a top under this jumper. So yeah, we're going to go in and go on Peter Pan. So I'll obviously take you guys there and show you as much as I can. I'll see if I can film on the ride, but it's quite hard to film on it because it's so movie. It's hard to focus the camera, but we'll give it a good old go. We have made it into the park finally. That queue was like ridiculous, wasn't it? And there's always that family at the beginning that like don't have an annual pass and in the annual pass queue every single day. So we had to like deal with that issue also. But yeah.
World out there.
Holly's done not sing song. But yeah, we're gonna head to Peter Pan now. Excited?
Put on your Sunday clothes, there's lots of world to see.
I don't know any of the words for that song. I know a few.
Yeah, Molly's like my fave.
Yeah, I need to rewatch it. But yeah, we're gonna go to Peter Pan now. And the weather is like lush, I'm loving it. Gonna just film some nice little shots of the sunshine, so enjoy.
Oh, it's such a nice day,
isn't it?
I'm so happy.
Thing is, every time we've come to Disney, it's been like 2 degrees,
literally.
If that. So it's been absolutely freezing.
Sunny.
This weather is like
delicious.
Lovely. Like my hands are a bit cold.
My hands are a bit cold.
But I can deal with that. High sunshine.
Yeah, it's like sunny.
So I'm loving it.
It's mini.
Where? Where? Oh yeah. So we've just come off Pirates of the Caribbean. We were going to go...
Blah, 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 all these foolish mateys looking around with his infernal face. I'm here, I'm in Pirates of the Caribbean. All your mateys, give me the rum. Stop making this thing. What's this? Who are you? Where's Jack Sparrow?
I don't know.
What's this?
Do you want...
She doesn't know?
Anyway, back to...
How did you just got told off by a pirate?
That was terrifying. Anyway, we did just go on Pirates of the Caribbean, so we were going to go on Peter Pan, but the queue was 45 minutes long. I just felt like acting normal. That was very bizarre. I was like, hello? At first I didn't realise you worked here. I was like, no, he's a pirate, it's fine. Yeah, that was something else, wasn't it?
That was so
funny. I was there like, oh okay. Oh dear. Anyway, we were going on Peter Pan. It was really busy. It had like a 45-minute wait. So we did get a what's it called? Fast pass. You just click it into yourself. A fast pass instead. And then on Pirates of the Caribbean, Holly got absolutely soaked, didn't you?
Yeah, like what the hell? I've never got wet on Pirates of the Caribbean before.
And like she's like wet.
It's like right in my eyes.
And on your bum.
And on my bum, really bad.
But I just thought I'd update you. But yeah, and then I got really interrupted by a pirate, so life's good. Also, the weather is divine, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so nice.
Like
I'm loving it.
It's not hot, it's like a nice temperature.
Because we're wearing jumpers, I wouldn't want it to be hot.
No, I wouldn't want it to be hot either. I'd be
boiling,
sweating.
yeah.
Exactly. But yeah, we're gonna go on the carousel. So we just had a massive change of plan because the queue for the carousel is ginormous. So instead, we're gonna go and look at It's a Small World and find a toilet because I've needed a wee for like an hour and a half now.
Yeah,
So we're gonna go for a wee. TMI, but thought I'd share. But yeah, if It's a Small World's too long, then I don't really know what we're gonna do because we've got a fast pass for Peter Pan at 10 to 12. So anyway, gonna go pee now. Bye. So we've just taken a minute to have a seat because we just met Pinocchio and Geppetto, which was so cute. I probably would have vlogged like a tiny bit of them waving, and then I stopped because I realised that we needed to get our autograph books out, our pens out, put our cameras away. It was a bit of a faff, but we did it in the end. It was really cute, wasn't it? But yeah, thoroughly enjoyed that. But now we've got about 10 minutes before our Peter Pan fast pass, so we're just gonna like organise ourselves, have a drink, and just have a bit of a breather for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna go on Peter Pan. So thought I'd give you an update, but yeah, just so excited for Peter Pan now. I love that ride. So we've just come off of Peter Pan, and like I wouldn't queue 45 minutes for it, you know? You're right. I had a bit of a tearing moment, but no, I do like Peter Pan. I'm glad we went on it, but it's over in like 2 seconds, so I don't really understand how it was a big queue because it's quite quick. This is the thing, but then it is quite old, so it is quite like slow at finishing, if you know what I mean. Yeah. I feel like if it was on a conveyor belt system situation, it would be very different. Yeah. But no, I enjoyed it. I'm glad we've done it now. So we're just gonna have a little mooch around the shops and then sort of see what to do. Really, I'm not really too sure what you want to do.
We'll go to that Victoria's place and get a milkshake.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that. Have a mooch from the shops.
Yeah.
And then maybe go over to Discoveryland.
Yeah.
Saturday, Space Mountain, bars, do all that.
Cool. Yeah, sounds fab. So we're gonna do that. So we've just had a little pit stop to get our sunglasses out because it's actually very bright today. So yeah, Holly's just sorting her hair out. Yeah, these are from Next. Super cheap, like £5. Duty free. Love it. But we bought them because they're matching, so we have the same ones to go with our outfits on. So yeah. So we've just stopped in the cable car bakery, right? Is that what's called? Cable car bakery? The cable car bake shop, that's it. And I had a hot chocolate, and honestly these are the best hot chocolates ever. And Holly had an apple juice, and we were just sort of planning our day basically, so yeah. Holly's just organising herself, and then we're going to have a little look through all the shops here because we haven't looked into those yet. And yeah, I feel weird about my ears on. They're here. They were just hurting me. These silver ears are like the most painful thing. Like my ears are actually sore, but completes the outfit, so we've got to wear them. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to finish eating my mini cheddars now. So I just thought I'd get chairs up. So we just went on the Star Tours ride, and how did you like that one?
I really liked it.
They were all good. Thumbs up. And we were going to go on Space Mountain, but the queue was 70 minutes. This was 50, but I don't think we were in it for 50 minutes.
75 minutes.
75 minutes, but I don't think we were in this one for 50, were we?
No.
It didn't feel like 50 minutes anyway, but we're now looking in the shop, so I'll let you know if we see anything cool. So we've just been having a little wander around by Phantom Manor because it is still closed, which is upsetting, but we've just taken a few good pictures. I say a few good ones. There's a few like weird ones of me, but nice ones of you, so it's alright.
There's some nice ones of you as well.
It's like the odd two, but it's all good.
That's your opinion.
I'm just very unphotogenic, okay? We've got our Buzz Fast Pass at 10 to 7, so we've got a really long time until our Fast Pass. So we're just going to have a little mooch about and sort of see what's going on, really. But yeah, great day, great weather, loving it. So we were both feeling a little bit peckish, so we went and bought the best crisps ever. I love these so much, and I'm probably going to get some tomorrow and then get some on the last day so I can like stock up on all of the most amazing crisps. And then I'm also going to get some at the airport, so I can take some back with me. But yeah, and we also managed to both get these Simba ears, which we've been looking for all day. So 10 points to that shop, and if you want them, they are by, where is it by?
It's in Adventureland by Colonel Happy's Pizza Outlet.
That's where they are, so if you want them, get them from there. But yeah, we're going to munch on these now, so I'll see you in a bit. So we've just finished with our snack. Sorry, I like bombarded you with my helmet then. We finished our crisps, they were amazing, weren't they?
Yes.
And we both got our new Simba ears on just because they're a lot more comfortable than
The silver ones.
The silver ones actually hurt me so much, whereas these are really comfy, so 10 out of 10 on comfort. But yeah, we're about to get in to the crowd for the parade, which starts in 45 minutes, but it's just very busy today, so we're just going to try and find somewhere to go. So yeah,
Just my eye.
weird. Yeah, just gonna find somewhere to go. So we went against the parade in the end because it was so busy and we didn't have a very good seat anyway, and we were like, do we really want to sit outside for 45 minutes and we have a bad seat, so we didn't sit down there. So we think we're gonna go to the Studios Park instead and maybe watch a show or something. Although the last time we did that we did fall asleep, so
But we were like exhausted.
yeah, true. Like,
And these are going to be Marvel shows, so I'll be like interested. Whereas the other ones are Christmas ones, and so like Christmas
true.
has like been and gone, so it's January.
that's a very good point. So we're gonna go and just see what we can find in the studios, and we'll probably end up looking in some shops. Let's be real, it's me and Holly. Holly likes pins, so we got to go and look. She has a problem, but we'll go and look anyway because we're on the hunt for a Captain Marvel pin. So I think if we find it, it'll be there. So we're gonna go and have a look over there as well. So we have made it into the Studios Park, and we're going to go and get a program to see when all the Marvel shows are on, and then we're going to sort of work out what we can watch in what time and whether we've got time to watch any or anything like that basically. So we're going to go and try and find one, and yeah, it's such a lush day though. Loving the weather, it's amazing. But yeah, you loving the weather?
Yeah, very much so. It's lush.
Lush what?
Oh my god.
Okay, we need our photos in front of that like now.
Well, I need my photo in front of that and my new bow.
Look how cool. I like her hair, not a fan, but you know, how amazing is that? How cool. That's insane. So we were just walking through the park and then Loki and Thor just like said hi, and it was very exciting, wasn't it?
Oh, it's really nice.
Like swooning all over the place. Great time. But yeah, we just sort of saw the
very
end,
into it tomorrow.
the very end of the Stark Expo thing, which we'll watch tomorrow. But we're gonna go and find the, what was it we're watching? Guardians of the Galaxy thing? No.
Guardians Galaxy Dance.
Guardians of the Galaxy Dance Off. That's what we're gonna go watch. So we're just gonna go and try and figure out where it is. And yeah, the weather's lush still though. Like weather updates from Mel, you know. Still nice. We are now sat in the studios waiting for the Guardians of the Galaxy Dance Off. Thank you. We're just sort of sat on the floor, but behind me, I don't know if you can see, there are statues. You've got Hulk, and then you've got, where am I looking now? Oh my gosh, Black Panther. Black Panther is there, and then you've also got Iron Man. How cool is that? Like, I'm just loving it. So yeah, Collis just going to have one of her many Nutri-Grains. Getting in your 5 a day. But yeah, we're just going to sit and enjoy this. I'm probably not going to film much because I like to enjoy it, and when I'm filming I don't really pay attention, so I
love how you think a Nutri-Grain is one of your 5 a day.
I was being sarcastic. I thought you actually believed me. I was like, no, I'm kidding. But yeah, we're going to just sit and chill and wait for the show, which is quite exciting. So yeah.
This is a finely tuned stereophonic instrument, and she needs a little TLC right now. Regarde-la, ma jolie baby doll.
Ça, baby doll.
Oh, jealous? Je comprends qu'elle soit jalouse. Hear that? You feel the power of the music.
Earth.
Hey, people from Terra. I think introductions are in order. Mesdames et messieurs, nous sommes the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Again?
Will, la fille verte avec lui. Vous m'entendez?
Hey, moi c'est Gamora, not the green girl.
Rocket, c'est toi?
Non, je suis ton père. Bien sûr que c'est moi. Vous êtes où?
Rocket, we heard something very strange.
Ah oui?
Bon moment.
So, he's the package.
Yes, I guess so. Groot, nous sommes traqués par les capteurs thermoplasmiques. Ce que je peux te dire...
Stop this!
Attends, ça fusionne. Rocket, envoie-moi l'état de la jauge thermique de ces machins.
So we just finished watching the Guardians of the Galaxy dance-off, which was actually really quite funny. I quite enjoyed that. I feel like it depends on the crowd and audience you have though, you know what I mean? So like sometimes it can be better than others. Oh yeah, I had a great time. A girl on stage didn't have a good time though, she was just stood there, she didn't dance, which is kind of funny. But now we're literally just about to walk back into the main Disneyland park so that we can go and get on our Buzz Lightyear Fast Pass, which is in about 25
We're going to get the Fast Pass, put it on the ground and get on it.
Get on it, put it on, jump in, that's what we're going to do. But yeah, we've got about 25 minutes ish, so we're going to head to there now, and then we'll have probably not much longer after that to have food. So buzzing. We've literally just come off Buzz, we're going to see our photos, and then we're going to go to the Captain Jack's restaurant for dinner, so I'll show you guys what we have ordered. But yeah, I'm so excited, it looks amazing and I'm actually hungry. So we've just come off Buzz. Did you enjoy?
I did indeed.
Yeah, it kept breaking down, which is quite annoying, I'm not going to lie, but you know, good for your score, you just keep going, don't you? Now we are walking to our Captain Jack's reservation, which is actually at 7:45, not 7:30, so we're doing alright for time. We're going to go there now anyway and just make sure we're like not going to be late or anything like that. Still debating which menu I want. What about you?
Yeah, same. I don't know. I'm going to have a look.
Because if it's worth the extra like €6, then I'd rather just spend €6. Do you know what I mean? But we'll let you know what we go for when we order it and everything, and I'll show you guys inside. Although I will give you a pre-warning, it's very dark as far as I'm aware, so the lighting's probably not going to be the best. But I'll film a little bit and sort of show you the food and stuff. So yeah, we've just got into the restaurant and we've just been given our free cocktail drink with the annual pass, and I'm excited to try it. Holly said it's quite sweet, so I'm very excited. It's like mango-y. It's nice actually. But yeah, we ordered the 7 Seas menu, right? Yeah. And then we ordered the cod fritter things, the pork thing, and the chocolate tart. And now we're gonna get bread. So these are our cod fritters. There you go. Yeah, this looks nice. Yeah, gonna eat it. Hopefully it's yummy. We'll see. So this is our main course. I don't know if it's gonna be in focus. It's like a pig situation, rice and veg. And I can't wait to eat it, so I'll let you guys know what it's like. So this is our dessert. We've got a chocolate tart, which looks amazing, with some ice cream. And Holly's got, oh there she is, glowing in the distance. Exactly the same. Is it good?
Yeah.
Out of 10, what are we saying?
7.
7?
That's pretty good.
That's good, okay. I'll let you guys know. I'm going to dig in, so it looks amazing. So we've just finished eating at Captain Jack's, and actually it was nice, but I have a real big issue with like eating in the dark. So if you don't like eating in the dark, probably not your favourite, but I did like it. It was nice. Did you like it?
Yeah, I loved it. It was
good.
Really nice. I'm really full now.
Yeah, like the only changes...
It was expensive though.
Yeah, it was expensive. It was like €40, but the only changes I would make is maybe like a cheesecake on the menu. You know, like a creamy cheesecake on the menu, and then maybe like upgrade the like pig thing to like a steak, and I would have been happy. Yeah, happy as Larry. But yeah, no, I really enjoyed it. But we're gonna head back to the hotel now. I don't even know what the time is, but it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, which for a lot of people is like prime ride time or firework time.
We're just eating a 3-course meal.
We're just eating a 3-course meal, and honestly, we're knackered, so we're gonna go back to the hotel and chill. We also both need to have a shower, both need to wash our hair tonight, and that's like a long effort in itself, isn't it? So we're going to both go and do that and then just chill out for the evening. So I'm going to pop you guys back into my bag and I will catch you guys up at the hotel. So we're back at the hotel now, and we are literally just going to do some chilling out and organising ourselves. So I'm going to say good night, and I hope today's video was long enough.
Good night.
But yeah, good night, and we will see you tomorrow for day 3-ish. Just day 3. Day 3. Day 3. Bye.